Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Beatrice, and today we are going to be reviewing the Fenty Hair the Comeback Kit Instant Damage Repair Treatment, and this is it. I've actually used out of it and I've opened it, but yeah, just showing you. This is what it looks like, and let me show you the pack. This is the pack that it came in. Nothing much to see. Yep, and it's empty. If you want to see my review of other Fenty hair products, I have another video that I'll be linking to this video. So in case you want to know what my thoughts are on Fenty hair products on 4C hair. Today in this video, we're just going to be reviewing the bond builder. This is a bond builder, or like a protein treatment, or whatever you want to call it. First of all, before we move on, I want to say a big thank you to all the people watching my videos, all the people who are subscribed to this channel. Thank you so much. And if you're new here and you like what you see, subscribe and leave a thumbs up so that I know that okay, I'm doing something good and I can continue with it. Let me tell you a few things about the Fenty hair bond builder from the website. I'm just going to be looking down at my laptop for a moment. This is my laptop, and I'm just going to be reading from their website what they say about the bond builder. But straight up from the website, it says, get ready for the quickest, easier hair comeback, powered by Replenicol 5 and our bond building technology. The comeback kit penetrates deep into the cortex to provide inside-out repair, supports damaged keratin structures, and strengthens strands. This bond builder was also tested on all hair types and can be used as a leave-in or rinsed out. I think that's interesting. So depending on your hair needs, hair instantly looks and feels healthier, moisturized, softer and smoother with just one use. No matter where your hair is at, it can make a comeback. Interesting. When it comes to like the instructions on how to use it, it says you can either use this as a rinse out or you can use this as a leave-in. So if you are going to be rinsing it out, cleanse your hair with the Rich One Moisture Repair shampoo and then apply this conditioner from root to tip until your hair is saturated. Comb through, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse well. Style as desired and no need to follow up with a conditioner. However, if you're going to be using it as a leave-in method, after cleansing with the Rich One Moisture Repair shampoo, apply to wet hair root to tip, comb through and style as desired. That's all there is from the website. Now let's get into the review. So, price first. This conditioner costs £34, and if I bring the conditioner closer to you, you'll see that this conditioner is 150 ml or 5 fluid ounces. I know this is like a celebrity hair care line, but I think this is very expensive because it's £34, and for £34 we are only getting 150 ml of this conditioner. And this is like the most expensive item in the whole hair care line, I think, in the whole Fenty hair care line. So if you're looking for something cheap and affordable, this is not for you. And let's talk about longevity. How long do I think this product will last? Probably not very long, especially if you are heavy-handed. After like maybe 3 or 4 uses, you probably will be done with the product. Let us talk scents or fragrance. So this product just smells like all other products in this hair care line. It smells very nice, I have to tell you. Like after my wash day, my bathroom was smelling of Fenty hair products. My hair, even after I had shampooed and applied conditioner and everything, still smelled of Fenty hair products, and it's a nice fragrance actually. I do like it. Let's talk about sleep and feel. I really like this conditioner. I'm going to be sincere. It's very nice. There is something in this bond builder that is actually very nice. I didn't have to apply a lot. I didn't have to apply too much, and it got the job well done. So if you watch my other review of other Fenty hair products, when it came to the deep conditioner, I felt like I put in a lot of work in order to get the sleep and detangling effect of that conditioner. But for this one, I didn't have to do any of that. Like once I put it in my hair, I was able to go through with the comb and then comb it out. This is actually a very good conditioner. It was like really good. My hair felt soft and my hair felt nice when I applied it, and even after I used the heating cap and I rinsed it out, still my hair felt like chef's kiss. I have to say, there is something Rihanna put in this bond builder that needs to be in this deep conditioner. So I don't know what she put in this thing that's quite different, but whatever this has is missing in this. So I would actually, even though it's very expensive, even though it's £34, this is actually my favorite product in the whole hair line. It's, you know, it actually did what it said it would do. I might actually, you know, I felt like this was more like a moisture conditioner more than a repair conditioner. Well, because I only used it once, you know, it's just one use, you might not be able to really tell the repair effects, but I think it did a good job. My hair actually felt good. Yeah, it felt like maybe you might have been doing some repair work or reconstruction work after. But this is a product I would actually like to use again, and probably as a leave-in instead of like a rinse out conditioner, because this product was like so good. So if you want to use as a rinse out conditioner, the options, like the instructions, are also here. So it says just shampoo your hair and then apply the conditioner straight up. Or you can shampoo your hair and then apply the conditioner for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse it out, and do not apply it like a leave-in conditioner after that. So I'm actually use this again and repurchase this. Like if I were to purchase only one thing again in this Fenty hair care line, I would actually purchase this again. Like it felt so good. I don't know how to feel, but my hair felt nice. The sleep was amazing. Like yeah, my only problem with this conditioner is that it's small. Like I guess it's a good conditioner or a good bond builder, but £34 for 150 mils in this economy, this inflated economy. This conditioner is like an instant damage repair treatment, and I would say I felt the instant effects. You know, my hair is not really too damaged, even though I feel like my hair has become dry over these months, over these past few months, but I felt like I got moisture also from this conditioner. So this is kind of those conditioners that would give you moisture and also give you like that repair effect, and I feel like this is a good bond builder in the market. I haven't tried K18 before, so I can't, you know, compare this bond builder to K18, but I would say this is a good bond builder. It will give you that moisture effect and it will give you that repair effect. My advice to you guys, should you buy it? Well, if you have those coins to spare and you're looking for a good bond builder in the market, sure, why not? I would actually recommend this conditioner. But if you know you're looking for something affordable, I wouldn't recommend this, because you know it's a little bit bougie and the price is up there. But I enjoyed using this product. Like I enjoyed using this product, and I think I might actually buy it again. Or well, let's see how it goes. But I will make sure I use like this. I would use it again. I would definitely use it again, and I'm going to use it as a leave-in. And if I compare this bond builder to this 5-in-1 leave-in styler, I actually kind of prefer the bond builder, and I look forward to using it as a leave-in, because I would even prefer to use it as a leave-in so that you know the effects would last longer on my hair than just using it as a rinse out and then rinsing the hair out immediately. I think next time, if I'm going to do like a Fenty wash day, because I have the products now, I'm going to go in with a deep conditioner, do all that work in the shower, then I'm going to use this as the leave-in. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this as the leave-in and let it do its work and magic on my hair. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Have you guys tried this conditioner? Do you want to try it? Are you willing to spend £34 on a bond builder? Let me know what's your thoughts. Would you buy it for fun, just to see? And if you've tried it before, what did you think of this conditioner? Did you like it? Do you think is your opinion the same as mine? Or when you used it, you were just like, it's just another conditioner or another bond builder on the market? Let me know what you think in the comment, guys. We've come to the end of the review. If you want to watch my video of the other Fenty hair products, I'm going to leave the link either at the end of the video or just up here, one of the above. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day, and if you like this video and you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any products you'd like me to try for you, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll try to get to it. Hopefully it's not too bougie, but yeah, I'll get to it. Thank you so much, and bye.